And we have details in the spotlight.
And as we head to break, unfortunately, everyone, we have to do a required EAS test. It's a little annoying, but it'll only be a little bit. And as soon as we can, we're going to get out of it.
That's right. It's monthly. Here we go.
Emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now completed.
You could win 50 at 5. Wait for Circle K's secret word of the day during KSAT's News at 5.
Need glasses now?